Good morning students, my name is Ajit Thorat. So we'll be continuing the dispersion of light now. In the previous video only we have covered the light, what is light, what is radiation, okay, what is our eye capacity to see the light, also how white light get dispersed. Okay, now we'll see what is the prism, who invented the prism, okay, and how it helped us to check the seven spectrum of color. Okay, so let's continue the topic now. What is a dispersion of light basically? So dispersion of light is nothing but it is the process of separation of light into its component colors. Okay, process of separation means what? This is a white light, okay, and while this white light is going from air to the glass prism, so this triangle is nothing but a glass prism. This is medium 2. Okay, light rays coming from air, which is medium 1, okay, it is going inside the prism, which is a medium 2. Okay, so when the light is going inside the medium 2, okay, the light gets separated, okay, and it comes into the component color. Okay, it gets separated into the component color. So the process of separation of light into its component color, so this white light, okay, these are the components, okay, into its component colors while passing through a medium. While passing through a medium means what? While light passes from air to glass prism. Okay, this is the meaning of while passing through medium. Okay, we'll again go for the definition, no problem. The process of separation of light into its component colors, while passing through a medium is called dispersion of light. Hope so you understood this concept. Now, who has invented this? Sir Isaac Newton was the first person who used a glass prism, okay, to obtain the sun spectrum. So this is sunlight. While passing from air to glass prism, it got separated into different color. Okay, sunlight got separated into its different color, and these are the component of light. Okay, when white light incident means what? Falls on. Okay, when white light incident on the prism, ये light जब fall होता है on a glass prism, okay, which is a second medium, right, because air is the first medium. When white light incident on the prism, which is second medium, different colors bend. Okay, so this should be the actual part, but this get bent, means by passing this it get bent. Passing from sunlight, when it enters into the prism, again it bend down, okay, so this is what the different colors bend through the different angles. Okay, in the previous video also I told you, when sunlight passes through this, when it enters into the prism, the spectrum of red light came like this. So spectrum of red light made an angle, this much angle with a normal. But if we check for the violet light, this is the sunlight, while entering into the prism, it bent like this. Okay, by so much angle it got bent, right? So this is the violet light spectrum, and this has made a angle with a normal. So this is a small angle and this is the large angle. Okay, among the 7 colors, so these are the 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Among the 7 color, red bends the least. Red bends the least means what? This is the white light, okay, while going into the prism, it is not bending much, it is bending slightly. Okay, so this should be the exact path, but the red light has bent, right, this much portion. Okay, so this is the least bent, okay, of the red light. But while violet bends the most, means this is the white light and it bent like this, so this is the large bend or the most bend, okay, of the violet light. Okay, so this is the concept which we focus now. So R means red, O means orange. Okay, I have given the color over here. You can see this video, note it down. Okay, and please make a note of it. You have to buy it whole dispersion of light. Okay, each and every concept you need to go through. Okay, go through it for 2 or 3 times by heart this concept, because paragraph wise question will come. Okay, the question basis on the prism. Okay, on the fill in the blanks related questions will come. Okay, this is important topic. Okay, thank you.